Hey guys, it's Wendy with Fab Crafts and More. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to hop on really quick and just show you some things that I recently got from a swap in one of the groups I'm in called Junk Journal Buddies. And it's hosted by Liz for a Day, who also has a great YouTube channel that you should check out, and I'll link to that below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love to have you subscribe right down there. And if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. Swaps are super fun and popular in the junk journal and mixed media communities. And so I participated in 4 different swaps going on. 2 of them are actually the same. This big package right here is from a great gal from the United Kingdom. So that was really fun to exchange from somebody internationally. So let's go ahead and start out with this one. And so she left me a little note that says the some of the papers in here are from Connoisseur, which I'm not exactly sure what that is, but January 1907. That's super cool. So let's see what she sent me. So her name is Katherine, and she is from England. And this swap was supposed to be specifically for fabrics. You're supposed to send 10 swatches of fabric. And so she sent over, some great pieces of fabric here. I am loving these. Oh, I need this. I'm gonna set this aside. Some cheesecloth. I need this for some projects. Oh, I love the stripes. And this is really sort of vintagey looking, and I love that light blue color. I actually have a Reader's Digest condensed book that has light blues like that will go perfect with. Oh, and this looks like some, embroidery or cross stitch. I am gonna have to check out what people do with this. I know I've seen some things, but it's plasticky, and so that's really cool. I love these fabrics. They are so cool. This will go really good as like a fall or Halloween one, I think, along with this too. So I'm gonna put that in my fall stash. I also really like that one too. And this piece is really pretty. It has a really beautiful velvet-like design. It looks like maybe it came from a blouse or a dress. It's really gorgeous. And then she also made some cute little notebooks from different papers. Excellent. And then these book pages. Now, it looks like I see the name Heidi, so I'm assuming that this is from the book Heidi, but it's got something different up here at the top. But I love old book pages, so those are really cool. Thank you so much, Katherine. And then the extras she sent here. So this looks like the cover of maybe a magazine. Oh, very cool. Oh, and it does have the date here, 1907. That is super cool. Oh, okay. So she said from the Connoisseur, and this must be a magazine that was published in the 1900s. So March of 1909. Very cool. British military prints. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Old advertisements for bathrooms and furniture and coins. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, and this is a beautiful picture. Ooh, that would go really good with this fabric that she sent. And then also things were tied together with this really cool string. Oh my gosh, so cool. It is so fun to participate in swaps with people. You never know what you're gonna get, and everybody has a different style, and it's just super fun. So that is from Katherine from the UK. And then this one is from Virginia. And this was a swap for clusters. So she created these beautiful clusters that are could also double as journal cards. Oh, this is so cute. I love her style. You can see she's really great at layering, and I love to use words. I cut a lot of them out from books and things. And then this looks like an old bingo card. Oh, this might almost looks like it's from like the Tim Holtz packages. And she's punched, I don't know if you can see, there's little holes in the scalloped edge here that she's punched out. And just all sorts of textures. She's used her sewing machine to stitch around there, and then just layered all sorts of things on there. This one is really pretty too. The little button, so cute. Again, lots of stitching. She's got cheesecloth. Try and give you a little close-up of some of these things. I know it's hard to convey these across a video. And then they also have these little tags and things stuck into the little pockets here. And this one I'm sure could fold out, write a little message on, stick it back in there. Love it. Thank you so much, Virginia. I love them. All right. And we're going to move on next to Tham. She has a YouTube channel also called Libby's Lovelies. So go ahead and check that out. Our swap was for journaling cards. So here's a little note she sent me, and it's on this cute little card. And then I think she's put the journaling cards in this little envelope and her calling card there. And then you can see too here, she has stitched around and layered different papers. And then back here, you can use that as a journaling card. I have been to Italy, so this could go in a travel journal when I start it. My husband and I were actually married in Italy. So Italy holds a close place in my heart. And then we've been to France, but we haven't been to Paris yet. But I love this tag and the flowers and the stitching. And this is gorgeous with all the colors and the butterflies. Again, more stitching. I love doing stitching on stuff. Oh, and this is cute. It looks like she folded the paper and then stitched it across. And again, room on the back for journaling. So cute. And then she sent me some great paper scraps, or not just scraps, but these beautiful images. I don't know, Libby, when you see this, tell me if you know the maker of these papers, because these are great. I really love these Victorian women. It looks like they're traveling on vacation. And oh, this is great lettering. Love it. And then she's also sent me this cute little package of just cute little bits to glue on for layering. Oh, I can make some great clusters with these. Words, stamps, flowers, whoa, little tags and stamped images. So, oh, that's lovely. I love it. So cute. And then some fabric pieces too. So some laces. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love this with the birds. I really like birds. If you follow my channel, you'll see as we progress how much I like birds. And then, oh, this paper clip was kind of holding stuff on, but then just this cardboard that, you know, we never throw anything away. So thank you so much. All right, and then we'll move on to Penny. She's also sent me an RAK a couple months ago. Like, I think it's been almost a couple months, but So she sent me a little card. Love, Penny. And she was my second cluster buddy. So I had said that if people needed to be matched up, if there weren't enough people, I would go ahead and do 2 people. So Penny was my other cluster, and so very cute. I love it. So it's a tag. We've got a little envelope, bird, pieces of fabric, and I love owls. This is beautiful, and she's done a great job with all these layers and the little envelopes. You can see there's just lots of depth and texture to these. This one's really cute with the little Victorian girls on it, tucking a little bit of lace under there. Excellent. Another one right here. Lots of little bits. And then, so I know there's different ways to make clusters, but one is putting your pieces together and, 3 or more pieces, and then using a staple and stapling it, and then using something to cover up that staple. So I think that's sort of the traditional way of doing clusters, and so she definitely followed that. I know some people will just stitch them or glue them, but she really did a good job at following the rules. Of course, there's not like real rules in all of this, but I love it. Oh, cute. There's those little girls again, layered with book pages. Sometimes I like to read the book pages to see like what, because like sometimes you'll just grab a book page and not really care what's on it, but it can be really interesting. So this looks like it's actually, I see words like buffalo head and Apache and move on. It's hard, I can't get a full sentence, but seems like something about the Old West. So Penny, thank you so much. So if you're new to junk journaling, swaps are a really fun way to get to know people. It's fun to receive and give as well. So you're swapping back and forth with people. And it's just a great way, to build up your stash too, and learn, and when you see what other people have made, you learn from that, and maybe then you try something that you haven't tried before. So thank you everybody, and thank you Liz for a day, and the Junk Journal Buddies Facebook group, and Penny, who sets up all the swaps in the group. So I encourage you guys to maybe find a group if you're not a part of one already, and participate in some of the swaps, because it can be really fun. And don't be scared if you think your things aren't good enough, because they are. Everybody has different tastes, everybody has different styles, and the more you do it, the better you get, and it's super fun. So thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up. If you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right down there in the corner. All right, guys, see you later.